Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a turkey noodle casserole. This one's a great lunchtime dish that you can throw on. It really just needs to cook for an hour, so if you can get it on, let it cook low and slow, you can kind of forget about it and go do some other things. So we've got a crock pot here, right now on high heat, but we're going to crank it down to medium or medium low here in just a minute. But we're going to go ahead and get our turkey in and let it start browning. There. So what you want to do is get your turkey cooking so that it cooks nearly all the way through, and then everything else just kind of gets poured on top. Alright, so our turkey has browned. That's what we're looking for. So now we can begin to layer in our other ingredients. So we want to go in with our onions, our mushrooms, we have some chopped green bell pepper, some corn, now put in our egg noodles, layer those over the top. Put a canned diced tomato, over top as well. Sprinkle cheese. Fresh cracked black pepper, pinch of salt. And what we're going to do now is cover this, and we will let it cook for an hour on medium heat. Depending on the strength of your crock pot, you may have to turn it up a little bit more, and we'll let it cook for an hour and we'll come back and check it out. Okay, so our casserole has been cooking for an hour. Cheese is all nice and melted. Everything looks good. So now what we can do is portion this out, plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.